Hello, this is Mr. Drew and welcome to IB Learning. We are going to continue our lesson on B2.3, which is the cell specialization. All right, so stem cells are the foundation of life. They have the remarkable ability to become different cell types, but not all stem cells are the same. Today, we are going to explore the different types of stem cells based on their potencies, or their ability to differentiate into various cell types. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to define totipotent, pluripotent, and multipotent stem cells. You should be able to identify examples of each type, explain why pluripotent stem cells dominate early embryonic development, and explore the revolutionary discovery of induced pluripotent stem cells. So what is a stem cell? So before we dive into the different types, let's define stem cells. Stem cells are unspecialized cells that have the ability to self-renew and differentiate into various cell types. So they are essential for growth and development, tissue repair and regeneration, and maintaining the body's cellular balance. There are three main types based on their ability to differentiate. That's the totipotent, pluripotent, and multipotent stem cells. So, what's the difference between totipotent, pluripotent, and multipotent stem cells? We are going to compare the three types. First, totipotent. Totipotent can develop into any cell type in the body and support structures like the placenta. Example, the zygote, fertilized egg, the only truly totipotent cell. Next, pluripotent stem cells. It can develop into any cell type in the body, but not extra embryonic structures like the placenta. Example, embryonic stem cells in the blastocyst stage, and that is 5 to 6 days after fertilization. Lastly, multipotent. It can develop into a limited range of cells related to a specific tissue or organ. Example is the hematopoietic stem cells in bone marrow. Can become red blood cells, white blood cells, or platelets. Okay, so in this slide, you will see the summarize of their differences. Pluripotent stem cells are the most prevalent during early embryonic development because they must generate all the cell types that form the body. Without them, complex organisms like us wouldn't exist. All right. Totipotent, pluripotent, and multipotent stem cells in plants. Plants also rely on stem cells for growth and regeneration. First, totipotent plant cells. Almost all plant cells are totipotent and can regenerate a whole plant from a single cell. Second, pluripotent plant cells. It is found in the shoot and root meristems, and it's capable of forming various plant tissues. Third, multipotent plant cells, found in vascular tissues, producing only specific cell types like xylem or phloem. This time is the totipotent, pluripotent, and multipotent stem cells in animals. So unlike plants, animals have more restricted stem cell types. First, pluripotent in animals, only in zygote, fertilized eggs, are truly pluripotent. Next, pluripotent in animals, found in early embryos, giving rise to all body tissues. And lastly, the multipotent in animals, found in adult tissues. Example, bone marrow, brain, skin, responsible for repair and regeneration. So in 2006, Dr. Shinya Yamanaka made a groundbreaking discovery. He reprogrammed adult cells into pluripotent stem cells. These are called induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs. Why is it important? First, it eliminates the need for embryonic stem cells in research. Second, allows for patient-specific treatments like regenerative medicine. Third, it reduces risk of immune injection in transplants. This discovery revolutionized stem cell research and earned him the 2012 Nobel Prize in Medicine. Here is a simplified diagram of how iPSC are created. First, you will take a normal adult cell, like skin. Second, you introduce 4 specific genes. That's the Yamanaka factor. Third, the cell reprograms into a pluripotent stem cell. And fourth, it can now differentiate into any cell type in the body. So this breakthrough has the potential to treat Parkinson's disease, spinal cord injuries, and even organ failure. So stem cells are classified based on their potential to differentiate. Number one, pluripotent, in conclusion, can form any cell, like the placenta inside the plus placenta inside. Number two, pluripotent can form any body cell. Example, embryonic stem cell. And third, multipotent can form a limited range of cells. Examples are the adult stem cells. The discovery of induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSC, by Shinya Yamanaka opened new possibilities in medicine, proving that even specialized cells can be reprogrammed. So the final thought is, if we can reprogram cells, does that mean we are closer to curing incurable diseases? Thank you very much, and I'll see you again next time.